Bullish Cardano cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $1.97 and $3.71 by 2030. Market investigators accept ADA could reach $1.53 by 2025. Bearish Cardano market cost expectation for 2023 is 34 cents. Cardano presentation. The digital currency market is increasing constantly. In any case, staying aware of this quick-moving industry is definitely not a simple assignment. Consequently, numerous financial backers and merchants who need to exploit the market to create critical gains are drawn to Cardano. Keep close by for an intensive clarification of how Cardano cost expectation functions, its specialized examination, and what's in store for Cardano on the off chance that you're attempting to enter the Cardano exchanging market. Yet, remember that on the off chance that you want long-haul achievement and benefits, exchanging digital currencies is a tireless undertaking that calls for both tolerance and exploration. How about we jump profound into the blog entry to comprehend whether this coin seems okay for you? What is Cardano? Cardano, frequently known as the potential Ethereum executioner, stands high in the crypto market with secure blockchain innovation, progressive savvy agreements, and application cases. Cardano, which exchanges under the image ADA, was presented by Charles Hoskinson and utilized a proof-of-stake component, in which holders of the money are accused of confirming exchanges as a trade-off for a prize. The top digital currency trades permit you to take part in marking with no cost, making it an engaging choice to create pay. Cardano's emphasis on peer-evaluated information and proof-based approaches in its advancement separates it from other cryptographic forms of money. Most of the digital money market goes quick. However, Cardano swings the alternate way. It moves all the more leisurely and purposefully. The benefit is that it improves engineers' probability of recognizing likely dangers. Essential examination. Cardano's unmistakable incentive is its undeniable strength. They aren't expecting to catch the whole market for brilliant agreements and dApps. All things considered, they focus on building a useful decentralized monetary area for the creating scene. The Cardano settlement layer and Cardano calculation layer setup keep up with everything coordinated and adaptable regarding innovation. The Cardano group has held the record part of the blockchain unmistakable from the register part of the blockchain because of their obligation to straightforwardness. Also, Cardano pushes out around 700 commitments each week and arrives at roughly 100 and 150 engineers reliably dealing with the venture. Because of these critical quantities of designers, the coin is probably going to overwhelm Ethereum in market strength and is the most effectively evolved blockchain project. Cardano is at present worth 43 cents USD. ADA has moved 3.48% as of now with an exchanging volume of $375,164,347. Cardano is at present position 7 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $14,147,196,603 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination difference from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Cardano to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize continuous Cardano market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market action. Cardano value expectation 2023. Cardano, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The ADA cost figure for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to 65 cents. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging 61 cents in cost is very aggressive. However, it is achievable soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. ADA is supposed to have a base worth of 52 cents. Cardano value expectation 2024 out of 2024. Cardano ADA cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of ADA will before long outperform $1.09. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the ADA's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, ADA will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 87 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 96 cents. Cardano value expectation 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $1.53 and ADA might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. ADA is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.40 and a low of $1.31 in 2025. Cardano Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Cardano effectively helps market feeling among digital currency lovers, the ADA coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ADA will be green in 2026. The ADA is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $1.97, with a base cost of $1.75 and a typical cost of $1.84. Cardano Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the ADA cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $2.27 by 2027, with a base cost of $2.19 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, ADA has a most extreme value worth of $2.40. Cardano Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $2.71. On the off chance that ADA figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $2.84. Neglecting to accumulate the help ADA needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $2.62. Cardano Value Forecast 2029. While ADA is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $3.06 and a yearly cost close above $3.28 in 2029. Cardano Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Cardano will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $3.50 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $3.72, averaging out at $3.58. Cardano Value Expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to estimate future price tags with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme ADA cost in 2031 is projected to be $4.28 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $4.11. And Cardano may not encounter a moment blast, but rather it can possibly keep rivaling the best digital currencies. Cardano's innovation and future endeavors are energizing by their own doing, as are other beneficial digital money choices. Thus, while you probably shouldn't rush out and purchase your ADA today, it's valuable on your radar as innovation develops. Keep in mind, it's not possible for anyone to ensure benefit when you are exchanging a cryptographic money, so it's smarter to explore than to lament. What is the Cardano cost today? Today, Cardano is exchanging at 43 cents with a complete market capitalization of $14,147,196,603. Is Cardano a wise venture? Cardano ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In light of this, it is shrewd to say that ADA is a decent decision of speculation. How high could Cardano at any point go? The typical cost of Cardano might potentially reach 61 cents this year. Over the course of the following 5 years, it is projected that Cardano might outperform $2